Well, armed officers showing up and body camera footage shows what happened next. So was this an appropriate response for a stolen electric bike?
Ever been eating dinner when armed men with rifles storm your home because a bicycle might be nearby? Totally fine. Very normal. In Draper, Utah, police executed a search warrant over a stolen e-bike worth $11,000. Naturally, they brought rifles, because property crime. But relax. Police say it was justified. A judge signed the warrant. GPS said close enough. And officer safety demanded long guns. Because nothing screams danger like a Prius-driving family and an e-bike cartel.
New at 10, a Draper family says they were traumatized when police executed a search warrant at their home. This was over a stolen electric bike that was never even there. 2 News' Liv Kelleher spoke with the family and reviewed that police body cam video.
What is it for, a f***ing bike?
That question caught on police body camera came moments after Draper police executed a search warrant at Mandy Duke's home on the evening of December 16th.
Police, search warrant! Come to the door!
The warrant served for an $11,000 mountain bike with a GPS tracker that was pinging near Mandy's home.
They proceeded to come into my house and hold my daughter at gunpoint. Like I said, that's an image that it will be forever burned in my head.
Body camera footage shows at least 8 armed officers at the home.
One wrong move and this could have been a whole new outcome.
Draper police say their response was based on a judge-signed warrant and information that a person associated with the home had a past weapon theft-related charge. Police told me they did not know if that person lived at the home. Mandy said they did not, and police should have known that.
No one else has ever lived here, and none of us have a criminal record at all. We've never been in trouble with the law.
Don't go anywhere, because this entire raid leads somewhere else.
After several minutes of searching for the bike, police activated the sound feature on the GPS tracker.
Well, I can hear it.
The sound came from next door.
I guarantee you it's a miracle.
Officers approached the neighbor's home where the bike was found under a tarp in the backyard. Body cam footage shows officers speaking with the man who had the bike, who tells them he bought it at a swap meet.
I trust you.
It's not.
Don't make me
regret
trusting.
Draper Police Captain Lieutenant Pat Evans tells 2 News he has not seen this type of tracker be this off in the past. He believes his officers acted professionally, but says they will review the incident for any opportunities to improve.
We've never done anything. There's no reason why they should have come in here with full force. And it makes you question authority.
A warrant is not a moral shield. GPS is not probable cause on autopilot. And terrorizing innocent people isn't erased by saying, well, we meant to. Because when police can raid the wrong home with rifles over a bicycle and suffer zero consequences, the line was never thin. The lies were never small. If you think oops isn't good enough when guns are involved, subscribe, share, and support the mission below.